Ndewonu ndị ọma kedu ka unu mere? Hello everyone, how you doing my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be concluding the Igbo alphabets. If you've not seen the first two parts, please check them out. I've included the links below. So far, we've learned the following alphabets: A, B, Ch, D, E, F, G, B, R, G, H, I, E, J, K, B, Q, L, M, N, Ng, Nwi, Ny, O, O. Today, we'll start from the letter after O. As usual, I'll show you the letter and give you the sound and some words that have such sounds in Igbo and English. Ka anyị bido. Let's get started. P, P, pota, puku, pat, pota, puku, pat. P, re, re, ria, rie, rat, ria, rie, rat. Se, se, so, se, sat, so, se, sat. She, she, nsheko, isha, should. Okay, so some people might mistake this she for che, or mix them up. But remember, the che is che as in chere, and this is she as in shh. Okay, so please don't mix it up, okay? All right, let's go to the next one. T, T, ta, teta, tap, ta, teta, tap. T, u, u, ute, ube, book. O, okwo, olo. Okay, so there is no O sound in English, okay? So we leave it at okwo, olo, o, v, valangidi, valangidi, vo, van, valangidi, vo, van, v, we, were, weta, where, were, weta, where, we, ye, ya, ye, yes, ya, ye, yes, ye, z, zo, ziga, zu, zo, ziga, zu, z. Okay, so if you've noticed, we also have two letters here, or two alphabets here that are similar. U and O. U has no dots under, but O has a dot under. So please be careful so you don't mix them up, all right? So we've come to the end of the alphabet. So let's take all of them together, all right? Okay. A, B, Ch, D, E, F, G, B, R, G, H, I, E, J, K, B, Q, L, me, ne, nge, nwi, nyi, o, pi, re, se, she, ti, u, o, vi, wi, ye, ze. All right. Anyị ga-akwụsị ihe ọmụmụ taa ebe a. We'll stop here for today's lesson. Ngwa kọọrọ onwe gị aka. Clap for yourself. Ịgbalịala. Well done. If you've enjoyed this video, please share and also give a thumbs up. I'd love to hear from you, so leave a comment below. Don't forget, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing. Kode. Bye.